Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! Today I will be making this cute Christmas mini garland that is perfect for a tiara tray and this adorable Christmas mini wood sign. Not only are these perfect for tiara trays, but they also make great gift giving ideas for this Christmas. I painted beads in black, red, and white using a stand that I created so I wouldn't get paint all over my hands. If you want to see how I painted the beads without getting paint everywhere, I will leave a link to that video in the description below. I started stringing the beads on a thin piece of twine I got from Dollar Tree. I know a lot of people suggest putting tape at the end to help the twine from unraveling, but I've tried that and it just doesn't work for me. What I do is just trim the end or twist the twine when it starts getting frazzled. I will also use a pair of scissors or a pair of tweezers to clean out the hole in the bead if it seems to have leftover wood pieces in it. Now we need to create a tassel for the end of our garland. I only created one tassel for the end, but now I wish I would have made 2. But of course I cut the end too short to add a tassel unless I want to restring everything. So I guess I'll be making another one with tassels at both ends. I used some lace ribbon from Dollar Tree, some wired buffalo check ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and some of the twine I used to create the garland. I cut everything to about the same length, and I also cut the wired part off of the buffalo ribbon. I didn't want my tassel to be stiff. I then cut the buffalo ribbon down to about the same width as the lace ribbon. So this gave me 3 strips of the buffalo ribbon, which of course meant I needed 3 strips of lace ribbon and twine. I layered all the ribbon together by stacking one on top of another. I used some more twine and wrapped it around the top of the tassel. I tied a double knot to start, and I left the end of the knot at the top of the tassel. This will help when attaching the tassel to the garland. You can't really see what I'm doing, but I am attaching the tassel to the garland by tying it with the tail of the string that I left out. I will do another video showing this closer up and at a different angle so you can see it. I then added a dab of hot glue to the top of the tassel and the first bead on the garland, just to make sure everything was secure. I tied a simple double knot at the other end so the beads wouldn't fall off. I wanted more of a tattered look, so I began stripping off some of the pieces of the buffalo ribbon. This gave it more of a fringed appearance. I did leave one of the buffalo ribbons alone. When I was finished, this is what it looked like. I think it's just adorable. I saw this little sign on Pinterest and thought it was so cute. I wanted to make one for myself. I am using a piece of scrap wood I cut down to a 4x4 square and sanded smooth. I painted the wood using apple barrel vanilla ice cream acrylic paint instead of white. I just wanted something a little different. I painted the front, back, and all 4 sides. While the paint was drying, I used my Cricut to cut out the words for the sign. I will leave a link in the description below for both the completed sign and the pre-cut vinyl so you can create your own sign if you don't have a Cricut. I applied the vinyl to the wood block, making sure everything was centered and lined up correctly. This is the trickiest part to the whole project. I then use my secret to applying vinyl. I use my iron and a thin piece of fabric to give the piece more of a hand-painted look. By doing this, the vinyl will melt into the cracks and crevices of the wood. I then applied a thin layer of Mod Podge to give it a finished look. And this is the finished look. It is so stinking cute and it fits perfectly on my tiered tray. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will have a lot more Christmas videos in the upcoming weeks leading to Christmas, and you know you don't want to miss them. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.